Hello everyone, this is Kyle Bank at WPsite, and I'm here to talk to you about our plugin maintenance mode / coming soon. So if you go to your install plugins page after you installed the plugin, activate it, and you'll see there's a settings tab or link right below the plugin name. Click on that to bring you to the settings page. It's also under the settings tab called WPsite MM/CS. And here we are in the settings page. So the first thing you see are these two buttons, turn on and preview. The turn on button turns on maintenance mode, or coming soon. When it's on, there's a turn off button to turn it off. The preview button is really useful because it previews what your maintenance mode or coming soon page would look like if you activated it. And this is great for people who are always changing the styling of it. So for now, let's see what it currently looks like. So if we go to preview, we'll see that we have a page with a white background, some social links in the top right, a header, a paragraph, a countdown timer, and some contact info at the bottom. Great. So how can we customize this? So the first thing I want to go over is the main content tab. So here we have the main content text color, which is this color right here of this text. We have the site title, which is the We're Coming Soon, as you can see right here. We have the main content title, which is the coming soon text right there. And we have the paragraph text, which is this text right here. So what if I want to add my logo to the main content? All you have to do is set an image like that, and we have our logo. And what if I also wanted to change the background to an image? Well, all you do is set the image like this. You can also do a slideshow or a YouTube video as your background. Also, you can have overlays. So let's say, for example, you can have a color overlay or a gradient overlay. And for now, I'll keep a gradient overlay diagonally with the colors of orange and yellow. You can also have a countdown type. So we have two different countdown types, a timer and a progress tracker. A timer basically just tells the users when your site is going to launch. So it only needs one date. So if it's going to launch December 31st, that's all you would need. But a progress tracker allows the users to see how far along you are until the site launches from when it started, and that's why you have a start date and a ready date. So if your start date's, let's say, November 27th, and the ready date is the 31st, they'll see how far along you are in building your site. And then also you have your social icons. You can have Twitter and Google and all their types of social platforms. You can add some, and you can reorder them, and you can delete some. So you have a lot of functionality here. So let's save our current changes, and let's see what our site now looks like. Okay, so as you can see, we changed the background image. We have the color overlay. We have our logo there. Great. Okay, what else can we do? So now I'm going to go over the modules tab. So in modules, you can see the first one is content panels. So this is basically content beneath the main content that you can add to describe certain parts of your site or certain parts of your business. So as examples, we have 3 content panels that come with the plugin by default. And you can reorder these panels like this, and you can remove them, and you can add new panels. And you can also turn this entire module on and off. And this on and off switch is for all modules, and you can turn them on and off. So we'll turn ours on. You can also have a contact form at the bottom. So this contact form right here can be turned off if you wanted to, but for now I'll keep it on. You can also have newsletter support for MailChimp. All you need to specify is the sign up form URL, which you can find by going to this link here. And we'll turn that module on. You also have a Twitter timeline code. We'll keep that off for now, but all you need to do is go here to get the code and copy and paste into there. So now that we have all of our modules on, let's hit save and go back to our site to see what it looks like. So as you can see, we have our 3 content panels here, and we have our newsletter sign up. Great, it's looking good. What else can we do? Now I'm going to go over the Style tab. This basically has settings allowing you to style globally the parts of your maintenance mode are coming soon page. So as you can see here, there's a tint color, and that tint is specified by our social icons as well as the content panel icons and the button for the newsletter. We can also have the font family. So there's a couple settings here. You can also have a custom CSS. So if you really want to get fancy and have really extreme customization, you can add your custom CSS right here. And also you can turn this on or off, so you don't need to delete the code. You can just turn it off when you don't want to use it. And there's also a miscellaneous section. And in this section, you have the user visibility. So this basically states whichever users are checked here will be able to see your developing site. So to demonstrate this, I will keep administrator on, hit save changes, and as you can see, our maintenance mode is technically off. We've only been viewing our changes through the preview. So if I exit out of the preview and turn maintenance mode on, now we'll see that our maintenance mode has been turned on and your site is now hidden from the public. And now you can do all the necessary changes. Here, there's also some text up here in red indicating that, hey, your maintenance mode are coming soon is on, just so you know. And you can also click this link to bring you right to the settings page. So now, if we go to our test site, since I'm an admin, I can still see the developing site. And as you can see, this link is still there. If we go ahead and uncheck admins so that they can't see the actual developing site, when I refresh, I will see the coming soon page. And vice versa, if I go back in here, almost always you'll want to have admins be able to see the developing site, but you can also have editors, authors, or any custom user roles that you have created that will be shown here. So we do that, and now admins can see the actual site. So for now, I want to turn my maintenance mode off. It's been turned off. Your site is now visible to the public. And there we go. It's turned off. And that's it. That's maintenance mode / coming soon. And I hope you like it. Thank you.